Hello, channel friends. I'm biologist Antonio Carlos, a specialist in human physiology and popular science. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that's revolutionizing the health of millions. What happens to your body when you eat only once a day? That's right, the famous OMAD, one meal a day. Imagine 23 hours of fasting and only 1 hour to nourish your body. Is it radical? Yes. Is it powerful? Absolutely. Let's break this down hour by hour, based on the most current science. Get ready for a journey that could change your life. But remember, consult a doctor before trying. Let's start the clock. Imagine your body as a perfect machine, designed by evolution to survive in times of scarcity. For thousands of years, our ancestors didn't eat 3 meals a day. They hunted, fasted, and feasted when they could. Today, with fast food on every corner, we've lost that ability. But what if I told you that getting back into that rhythm could activate superpowers in your metabolism? Yes, friends, eating once a day isn't about hunger, it's about freedom, cellular repair, and explosive energy. First, what is OMAD? It's an extreme form of intermittent fasting. You eat all your daily calories in a single meal, ideally within a 1-hour window, and fast for the other 23 hours. Water, unsweetened tea, and black coffee are allowed during the fast. Nothing with calories. Studies, such as the one published in Frontiers in Physiology in 2022, show that this forces the body to switch between modes, from storage to repair. Why, hour by hour? Because the body doesn't change all at once. It's a gradual process, like a biological clock ticking. Let's assume your meal is at 6 p.m. The clock starts right after the last bite. Reflect. Are you ready to discover what your body does while you're doing nothing? This could be the secret to weight loss, longevity, and mental focus. Let's go. Hour 0 to 1. Digestion begins. The body absorbs the feast. Friends, the clock resets the moment you finish your single meal. Say, a nutritious dish with protein, healthy fats, vegetables, and complex carbohydrates. Your stomach and intestines go into full swing. Digestive enzymes break down the food, and the pancreas releases insulin to transport glucose to the cells. Feel it, your body is receiving a massive influx of nutrients. Studies show that, in OMAD, this large meal temporarily raises insulin. But since it's only once, it doesn't cause constant spikes. Your metabolism speeds up to process everything. Reflection. How many times have you eaten all day without giving your digestive system a break? Here, it works efficiently. Hour 1 to 2. Peak energy and initial satiety. Now, with nutrients circulating, you feel an energy spike. Glucose enters the cells, and the satiety hormone leptin signals, "I'm full." But be aware, if your meal is rich in simple sugars, you may experience a crash later. In OMAD, opt for whole foods to extend this phase. PMC research indicates that after a single evening meal, plasma glucose gradually drops. You're fueling up for 23 hours. Feel the power. Pause for reflection. How would your life be with more focused energy, without constant snacking? Hours 2 to 4. Complete absorption and beginning of the transition. The small intestine absorbs most nutrients. Vitamins, minerals, and amino acids go to the liver. Insulin is still high, storing excess as glycogen in the muscles and liver. According to sources like the in-house studio blog, by around 4 p.m., all the food has left the stomach. Your body enters post-absorptive mode. Here begins the magic of fasting. Reflection. Your body is an efficient factory. Why overload it with meals all day? Hours 4 to 8. Blood sugar drop and digestive relaxation. Insulin drops, blood glucose decreases. The body uses stored glycogen for energy. The digestive system sleeps, resting. Studies show an initial increase in human growth hormone HGH. Here, you may feel slightly hungry, but it's temporary. This is adaptation. From sources like Simple Life, between 5 and 12 hours, insulin drops and lipolysis fat breakdown begins. Reflection. Imagine saving digestive energy for repairs. That's what happens. Hours 8 to 12. Glycogen depletion and start of fat burning. Liver glycogen is depleted. The body relaxes glucagon to balance sugars. Here, hunger may increase due to ghrelin, but persevere. WEBMD research explains, without food, insulin drops, and cells release energy from fat. Your body becomes a fat-burning machine. Reflection. How many extra pounds are you carrying by not giving your metabolism this chance? Hour 12. Autophagy activated the cellular repair mode. Key milestone. After 12 hours, autophagy begins. Cells eat damaged parts, recycling them for energy. Studies in PMC confirm, fasting for 10 to 16 hours releases ketones from fats. This is cellular anti-aging. From sources like Rupa Health, OMAD activates this daily. Reflection. Think of the diseases that autophagy prevents: cancer, Alzheimer's. Your body heals itself. Hour 14. Accelerated fat burning. Body converts stored fat into primary energy. You enter full lipolysis. Energy stabilizes, hunger decreases as ketones fuel the brain. Feel the freedom of not being a slave to hunger. Studies show weight loss here. Reflection, why store fat when you can use it as fuel? Hour 16, HGH peak and metabolic improvement. Growth hormone explodes up to 5 times more. Preserves muscle, burns fat. Insulin sensitivity improves. From Medical News Today, ketosis begins. Your body is a phoenix rising from the dead. Imagine strong muscles and a sharp mind. OMAD delivers that. Hour 18, deep ketosis and stable energy. Full ketosis, ketones become primary fuel. Hunger disappears, focus increases. Research shows reduced inflammation. You are at peak metabolic efficiency. How would your productivity be without sugar crashes? Hour 20, maximum cellular repair and detoxification. Peak autophagy, clearing toxins. Liver processes waste. Studies indicate better sleep and mood. Your body regenerates while you rest. Think about daily stress. OMAD gives you a break for healing. Hour 22, preparing for the next meal. Body adapts, ghrelin rises slightly, signaling natural hunger. Low insulin maintains balance. You are ready to nourish yourself again. Hunger is a signal, not an enemy. Hour 23, end of cycle, optimized insulin sensitivity. Almost 24 hours, flexible metabolism, ready for a meal. Studies show fat loss without muscle loss. The cycle restarts stronger. Benefits and risks. Now, the scientific benefits. Weight loss up to 1.4 kilograms in 11 days. Metabolic flexibility. Autophagy for longevity. Reduced inflammation. Better glucose control. Risks: initial hunger, hypoglycemia in diabetics. Possible muscle loss if done incorrectly. Not for everyone. Pregnant women and teenagers should avoid it. Balance is key. Friends, OMAD is not a diet, it's a lifestyle. Awaken your biological potential. Start slowly. Consult professionals. Subscribe, like, comment. Would you try it? I'm Antonio Carlos. Until next time.